box together. Check these out, bro.
Formerly known as the Bel Airs. I don't know why they freaking do it. They keep on changing the names of them. Now they're the Ghost Girl. Woohoo! Yeah. For real? I don't know fuck what they call them. Major Jordans.
Yeah.
That shit upside down.
Sí, como no lo traigo, no mames.
They're these. I can't believe I was able to snatch a pair. Those are nice.
Mm-hmm.
I like those. Like I said, sale, no sale, 10.5 on retro 5 like this. See that?
Mm-hmm.
And why they call them the Bel Airs? Do you remember French Fritz Bel Air?
With the
He
graffiti
had
and
this,
stuff?
yeah, well he had this,
Shoe.
yeah, he had one of these, on the TV series. He was wearing one. The same colors and everything. See that?
Look, it's plastic. You said it always comes in paper.
No, it comes in different types of papers. Like
This is the first time I see that type of
yeah,
plastic.
this is kind of messed up. They could have done better, but whatever. This is really nice shoes though. See that?
Mm-hmm. And look inside and it has all that graffiti colors.
Yeah,
and
French
stuff.
Prince of Bel Air. But I don't know why they're calling them Ghost Green. These were called the Bel Airs. See that?
Mm-hmm.
I like that name better. Ghost Green is fine, but I think they're just doing it to.
I thought
market.
ghost green was like the
Ghost.
color green. The shoe was gonna be green, you know?
Well, it is green. You have the green bottom, you have the green laces, you have all this little green splatter, the Jumpman, todo, pero I don't know. I like the Bel Air better because they are. If you think about it, that's the French Prince of Bel Air. It's a good looking shoe. I like it personally. Personally, me, you know me. But you know, because I've always liked the 5s. It's a good looking shoe. So this is perfect. I didn't care. I was like, okay. I was like, at the cart, I was like, I really wanted the Ferraris though, but
You were sold out.
yeah.
So you only got one?
Just one. It's okay though. It's fine. All right. Let me see your confirmation on the other ones. I really want to see that.
Oh, yeah.